Yeah, the first one that they shipped me, they shipped it via UPS. And UPS, they was brutal on it, man. I mean, they were brutal on the box. I mean, they had flipped the box over to get it off the truck. And then when I opened it up, everything was like damaged on the inside of the box.
By all means, you can.
Yeah. Yeah, but hey, they got it on the pallet. That lets me know everything should be good to go. Thank you, Voro Motors, for taking such delicate care of packaging the Roadrunner Tronic in a manner where it wouldn't be damaged. And guys, look out for that first ride video coming soon. All right, guys. Your boy John Q here. The my long anticipated wait of the unboxing of the Roadrunner Tronic is finally here. And suffice to say, it has been a long journey with a few ups and downs. It's been a long journey with a few ups and downs, but it's finally here. And special shout out to Voro Motors for the excellent packaging job that you guys did. I mean, this thing arrived on a pallet, nice and wrapped, so there was no whole lot of moving around in the process of the shipping, and I am keenly grateful for that extra effort to make sure that the Tronic got here nice and protected. And now share some details about some of the trials and error of this whole process a little bit later. But for right now, it's just time for me to get into the unboxing. In the first shipping process of the Roadrunner Tronic, there was indeed a level of trial and error that had to be overcome. And UPS, in their shipping process, handled the box very roughly, so that whenever I got the Roadrunner Tronic in, my side panels were damaged, and some of the wiring components on the inside of the bike were actually disconnected, and my power on off button, it was also damaged. It was completely broken off. And so I work with Voro Motors in an effort to repair the damage that was done. And this is the top plate that goes on the Tronic. So I work with Voro Motors in an effort to resolve the issue. By replacing the parts when they by putting the replacement parts on myself, and once I got the parts on, I ran into another issue where wires had become disconnected from the controller, created a situation where the Tronic controllers had to be reprogrammed. And once again, Voro Motors, they stepped back in and they worked with me very quickly and thoroughly to have someone to assist me with the programming of the controllers. And so after a couple of days and quite a few attempts, I thought I had gotten the controllers programmed correctly. And so that's when I did my little teaser before the review, and I posted it on YouTube because I thought that day I was for sure going to be taking me a ride on the Tronic Roadrunner. But whenever I hit the throttle with my helmet and all my gear on, lo and behold, she was still not working correctly. And so after that, I decided that the best route to go was for me to just basically return the Roadrunner Tronic and have those guys to send me out a new one. And in the process of sending me out a new one, everything was very transparent with the communications with Voro Motors. Every step of the way I knew what was going on. Anytime I called, I got an answer, and they were thorough about making sure that I knew what was happening. And so, wow, I did not expect this. I did not expect this at all. Wow. Now this is what I call a classy company right here. They sent me a very nice fast charger. Isn't that something? 84 volt 5 amp fast charger. Wow, thank you guys. Man, you guys are the best, man. Really, really. I wasn't expecting this because with the first Roadrunner Tronic, I got that basic 1.7 amp hour charger, and I had no idea that they was going to turn around and send me this charger, this one right here. Man, you guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. I'm definitely going to be doing more business with Voro Motors in the future. Oh, actually, the future is now the present, because I just ordered a new battery for the Wolf Warrior 11 and 2 new controllers. charge this baby. baby, yes. She's a beast with it. That was just a little short run. Battery's not 100%, so I didn't push it too hard. But beep beep. Peace out. Okay, my thoughts about the Rion Tronic, the Roadrunner Tronic. My thoughts about the Roadrunner Tronic. I love it. Thumbs up, whatever the case. Thumbs up, man. I love this. I love the power and the smooth delivery of the Tronic controllers, and I think you got a hit here. You know, of course, this thing has so much potential, and a lot of guys will probably have varied remarks to say about the things that are not included on this model. But what I can say is that I think this is a hell of a collaboration that you've made with Voro Motors to come up with the idea for the Tronic Roadrunner, and I think that this machine has awesome potential. You know, I'm already out scouting um, fabricators who can build me a nice body, a nice carbon fiber body uh, for the Roadrunner Tronic, and there's a few other little minor things that I'm going to do because I want to keep this thing as uncluttered with mods as I possibly can, because I'm not all that keen on having whole lots of wires everywhere and buttons all over the place and all of these different things. But and once again, disclaimer for anybody watching my video. um, as I said before, i'm not a I'm not a YouTuber who receives free merchandise to test and give you my opinions on. And I'm not somebody that you can just come to my channel and watch me give a brief review of a product and say what I like and I don't like about it. Uh, who I am is a consumer. I'm a purchaser of PEVs, particularly PEVs that I like and that I admire and that fit my psyche, because I ride for therapeutic purposes. And so I'm not going to give you a short end uh, analysis or review of what I think. I'm just going to tell you what my opinions are based on my experience with the machine. And if you come back to my channel and view more of my content, um, you'll see how the machine stands up in the long run. You'll see different things that I do and experience with the machine. Um, that's the kind of content that I promote. That's the kind of content that I put out. It's awesome that we actually have a distributor here in the United States that's stepping up to the plate and assembling a product such as this mini bike. Um, I see these guys, all over, in other countries. They make all of these nice, machines. The Fido, you got head turners, you got Spurniks, you got all these different guys, and it seems like the accessibility of their bikes here in the U.S. is so low until it's like almost impossible to get one unless you buy it piece by piece and assemble it here in the U.S. And I'm the type of person that, if I buy a product, I would prefer for that product to be ready to go out of the box whenever I get it, or just require minimum assembly in order for me to have the working product in hand. So, but that's just my take, and like I said, I'm glad that here in the U.S. we have a distributor that's willing to step up to the plate and make something happen when it comes to mini bikes such as this. for the PEV community. And overall, man, this machine is a beast. The power that I feel from these 5,000 watt motors, whenever I got down on her, I mean, it was like, and she's not even at full power capacity. I can tell that the settings on it are low, and I'm glad that they are, because I don't plan on skinning up myself on the road trying to ride this beast without really knowing the mechanics of riding a machine such as this. Hey, as with all my other PEVs, all I can do after riding it is smile and give you two thumbs up. All right, with that, I'm out. Peace.